Hello and welcome again to a new episode. From Spice and Easy Kitchen, we hope you are always well. Today's recipe is small breads made with whole wheat flour, and it's bran. I have here between 3 to 5 tablespoons of traditional oil, which I will pour like this over the flour. I have 1 tablespoon of Baker's yeast. I have 1 teaspoon of honey, which is better than sugar. Honey keeps the bread soft while sugar makes it hard after cooling. Honey keeps the bread moist. The natural improver we will use is homemade apple cider vinegar. We will not add the salt now. I will add some seeds here which are optional. Use whatever you like and remove the remaining oil. I have here 600 milliliters of warm water. Let us start. Whole wheat dough needs more water than regular flour because the bran absorbs water. These are important details to know. You can also use sour yogurt to make the dough very soft and moist. And the bread will stay soft for a longer time. As you can see, I pour the water and it absorbs it because the bran needs water. After mixing the dough, I add salt according to taste. And I incorporate the salt into the dough. I will knead it for 1 to 2 minutes. The dough is ready and I kneaded it for up to 3 minutes. This dough, made with whole wheat flour and bran, absorbs water, so it needs light kneading and should stay soft. This is the texture, and now I grease it with a little oil. Using traditional oil. For a healthier option, use traditional oil or vegetable oil if needed. Now I cover it with plastic and a cloth and leave it to rise. The dough has risen well. Now I remove the air inside. It is very light and the bread will taste great. I wet my hands with water so the dough does not stick. Then I cut a piece. I adjust the size a little. I dip it in water. Then coat it with bran, covering it from all sides. Then I place it on a greased tray. I cut another piece and remember to wet your hands because the dough sticks. Dip it in water. Then in bran from all sides. The tray is greased with oil. I continue placing them until finished. I covered the dough just to show the tray. This is the shape after flattening slightly. I flattened it a little without pressing too much. I continue shaping the rest before turning on the oven. I finish all shaping before turning on the oven. Then I turn on the oven. After finishing, I cover them and preheat the oven to 240 degrees and leave it to heat well before baking. Apple cider vinegar gives softness. Always use honey instead of sugar to keep the bread moist. Sugar makes the bread crumbly after cooling. Honey keeps it soft and moist. Vinegar works as a natural improver. It gives softness and a fluffy texture. This is our whole wheat bread with optional seeds. The secret of softness is the vinegar and honey. Vinegar replaces chemical improvers naturally. Now I cut it to show you. Look at the result. It looks beautiful and perfect. Try this method and you will not stop using it. Only a small spoon of vinegar per kilo is enough. It is affordable and accessible to everyone. I hope you liked this recipe and support with a like and subscription. And activate the bell for more recipes. See you in the next video.